So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to adjust the font size here inside of Microsoft Word. So first thing you have to do is obviously make sure that this home bar right here is selected once you have Microsoft Word open. Go ahead and press on home right here to open up this screen. I'm just going to go ahead and type in how to adjust font size. So for me by default, if you can go ahead here to this top bar, if you go to this number right here beside the font, it actually says that the font defaults to me at size 12. Now if I were to simply just go ahead and clear this out, press delete and maybe type in 30, press enter. If I were to type this exact same thing, it'll say how to adjust font size. There you go. It's now made it 30. Now, if I wanted to maybe change it again, what you can do is either manually do it yourself or just press this drop down menu and you can view a whole bunch of different fonts. So if I wanted to do maybe 36 font right here, or maybe, my apologies, if I wanted to do 48 font, what I can actually do here is just say this, 48, press enter. This is 48 font. You get the point. You can play around with it, either typing in your own custom number here or just going to the drop down and picking a pre-selected font size on the drop down screen. But pretty straightforward process. That's how you guys can adjust font size here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.